Good morning, everybody. Today is September 23rd, 2022, Friday. Happy Friday to everybody, by the way. And today we'll be talking about how to buy and actually capitalize on fear on the stock market. The latest developments on the market are kind of, spooky, to say the least. First of all, the Federal Reserve is jacking up the interest rates to the sky, and everything's becoming actually more expensive. They're trying to make it less expensive, but now the loans, the credit cards, and credit, everything is jumping up. So if you want to buy a car and most people have to borrow the money, or if you want to buy a house, it will cost you a lot more. So, and the market doesn't like that. Plus, it's expensive for companies to borrow money to expand and introduce new products to the market and market them and everything else. So the other thing is that the situation in Ukraine, where the war is escalating and Russia is basically executing a military draft and also threatening a nuclear bomb response if Ukrainians continue to fight them. So if you look at the markets, Dow Jones is down 400 points, NASDAQ is also down like 200 points, S&P 500 is down, so everything is pretty much kind of like crashing and burning. However, there's an area in the stock market that is actually rising with very solid, very consistent gains. And this is called volatility indexes, or volatility index ETFs, to say more specifically. And the index that I'm talking about is VIX, or volatility index. And every time when the market is crashing and burning and collapsing, the fear among investors is going super high, and this specific index, this specific financial instrument is going up. So you could kind of trade it by buying VIX ETFs, and they have stock symbols UVXY. The next one is VIXY, and the next one is VIXM. So those three indexes are actually going up like crazy. So you could see it here in the table, and in fact, if you open them, you could see when the market is down, they're actually going up. So what you could do is you could actually buy them, and while the market is experiencing all this fear and all this uncertainty, and a lot of investors are losing money, which is triggering them to actually sell their shares, this specific ETFs are going up very consistently and producing very large gains. So there's always basically on the market a place where you could hide, and not just hide, but actually generate very good returns while everybody else is losing their shirt. So if you would like to find out more about such incredible opportunities to make money while everybody is losing it, download my app by going to this website And if you go to this website, then it's 2stx.com. If you go to this website, you would be able to go, it will take you directly to the Apple App Store if you're opening this thing on your Apple phone, or it will go to Google Play Store. That will take you to the Android version of this app. And if you are opening it on your Amazon Fire device, Fire tablet, then it will take you to Amazon App Store. So the app is available in 3 different app stores, and it covers 7,500 stocks and also a certain number of ETFs, including this volatility ETFs or fear ETFs. And you would be able to get very good advice in terms of what to buy and what to sell there. So the app updates ratings every day, so you could see if something changes on the market and the bad stocks become good stocks, or vice versa, the ratings would reflect it pretty much almost instantly. So the stock that used to have a buy rating would get a sell rating, and the stock that had a sell rating will receive a buy rating if the situation changes in a kind of like in an opposite direction. But right now the market is suffering, so if you are buying just traditional investments, you might be experiencing some losses, but at the same time, where we cannot fall all the way to the floor, because the market is about fear and greed. So I would actually put little by little some more money into the market, because right now the prices are very cheap. But if you are looking for quick gains, then those fear ETFs or VIX ETFs are very good investment at this point. So but again, if you want to see some more opportunities, download this app. You could use it for free for about a week, and after that it only charges you $10 a month for this incredible advice that covers, as I said, 7,500 stocks. So thank you for your time, good luck trading, and bye bye now.